What up, my sippers and stoners? It's Miana DK checking in once again.
What up, my sippers and stoners? It's Miana DK checking in once again, and I'm here today with a snack crate unboxing, guys. Yes, a snack crate unboxing. So before I get in, I would love for you guys to like, subscribe, tell me a little something about this video in the comments section. Just let me know that you're engaged. And if you hit that subscription bell, then you'll know every time that I'm coming to you with a new video, okay? Here we go. So I always wait. I don't find out where the snacks are coming from because I like to be surprised on camera. It would be great if I was prepared with how I was going to open the box. Boom, see, I found something. Okay, so, we ready? Oh shit, it's Denmark. Look, guys, we're eating Danish snacks today, guys. Okay. I want to be more excited about this, but I'm not. But we're gonna see because, you just never know. But the last time I did, who was it? I think it was the Philippines. Last time I did that, I did not enjoy one snack, period. And when I did Germany, out of the whole box, I enjoyed 2 or 3 snacks. Y'all can see the video. In fact, I'll link the one below from the one that I did before. Okay, but look, we're gonna get into these snacks anyway. Okay. Okay, first snack. Kim's Hasta Pops. You see that? Kim's Hasta Pops. These look like Cheetos Puffs or some variation of it. Yes, they look like smaller cheese puffs. Okay. 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 That was Kim's Hasta Pops. I'm going to give that, what am I judging these? Am I judging these on a scale of 1 to 10 or 1 to 5? 5? Okay. On a scale of 1 to 5, I'm going to go ahead and give these like a 2, 3. I'm going to give these a 3, okay? That's Kim's Hasta Pops. Okay. The next one is Kim's Snack Chips. Looks like Kim's might have a monopoly on the game, but these are Kim's snack chips. It does not really say much, so I'm just gonna open them. And of course they don't have anything in English because they're not English. Okay. So you can see how those look. Okay. Okay. This is like a barbecue chip. I don't want a second one. It's not bad. I don't want a second one. I'm not a fan of barbecue chips, so, but yeah, that was that. Third, Kim's Smash. Clearly, Kim is the leading snack maker in Denmark. Clearly. This says sweet, salty, and crispy. Let's see. Oh, it looks like what I just had dipped in chocolate. I really hope that's not what it is. But when you look at the back, you see that? Okay. Let's see. Next. This is Carletti Scum Banana. Yeah, that's exactly what it is. Scum Banana. You see Carletti. Basically looks like some sort of banana snack with chocolate. Yeah. Let's see. I'm not a fan of banana, but on occasion I will fuck some banana up. It just, I don't know. But I'm not a fan of it proactively. You know what I mean?
These are like those funnel things.
Okay. I don't really know what this tastes like, but it ain't too bad. It's like marshmallowy banana covered in chocolate. Here. Marshmallowy banana covered in chocolate. I'm a fan of Peeps. Imagine a banana Peep covered in chocolate. That's what that tastes like. If you're not a fan of Peeps, you ain't gonna like that shit. Okay, what's next? Yankee Original is some sort of chocolate bar. It says Den Original Yankee Bar. Okay. We're gonna try it. At first glance, it reminds me of a Snickers with no nuts, but we're gonna see. Yeah, like a Milky Way, or you know, a Snickers with no nuts. It's good. You don't want it? Okay. Oh, I gotta finish chewing this. Okay. Next is, I don't really know what they're going for. Maybe potato. It's Peate. I don't know. Made by Carletti again. You see that? How do you pronounce that? Drop a comment and let me know how you pronounce that. But in any case, it looks like chocolate with nougat and peanuts. That's what it looks like to me. Sort of like a Snicker. Back on the Snicker thing. Okay. Okay. The texture is like a pecan turtle. That's the texture, not the taste though. I don't really know what the taste is. I don't. Next. Okay, this is Flipper by Cloetta. It has a dolphin on it. You see that? You see it. Skumdelfin med Frugsmack. That was my attempt at Danish. Okay. I'm gonna need a little bit of water in a second. Okay. This is okay. Who eating this? Try it, bite it. Right. Next. Super Flyers. 4 sticks, strawberry taste. Okay, these are giving me Twizzler vibes. Because there's really only one red one, okay? But there are hella different denominations of Twizzlers. Oh. No, definitely not Twizzler vibes. I don't know what this is. You see that? I don't know what that is in the middle, but we about to find out. It might be a fruit roll-up. Bite that.
Why would you? No, I don't like the way you said that shit.
That's something that you would get on the ice cream truck. I'm not exactly sure.
It's not the bar you can eat it.
It's sugar in there.
Yeah, I see. It's like a candy straw.
Like a candy straw with sugar in it. That's what it is. Okay. That's interesting. Here, put that back in there. Okay, these little thingies. It's definitely a caramel by Tom's Gold. You see, it says caramel right there. Okay. Ooh, and it's covered in chocolate. Can't go wrong with that. Okay. Okay. It's a little hard on the chew. Okay. That was cool. Okay. This is made by Tom's Gold as well. Just says bar. This looks like it might have some hazelnut in it. See that? That's a pretty package though. I like their packaging. So what this looks like is that it might be some type of chocolate hazelnut type of thing, but we gonna see. Oh, this is interesting. Okay, so guys, there's some red shit inside the chocolate. Okay, so look, see that? You see that's not white, right? That's clearly red or pink or whatever.
Maybe they use the red peanuts. You know,
M&M's or something. Candy.
Oh, maybe they're those kind that's covered in a little
Mm-hmm.
coating of red.
It's pretty good. It is hazelnut. Okay, and the very last thing in here, and I saved it to last because I saw on it said orange. And I am not a fan of orange flavor. I am not a fan of orange liqueur. I am not a fan of orange and chocolate together. However, Tom's, our friend at Tom's, they went ahead and brought us some what is this? Orange Stang. Orange Stang. It looks like a Kit Kat bar, which is why I'm so devastated, because why would you even do Kit Kats this way? By putting it in the same type of, you know, I was gonna say. Let's see. Yep, that's orange. Here. That's definitely orange, guys. I'll tell you what, they didn't lie to you. They didn't lie to you. That's orange. Okay, guys, that was Denmark. That was all of our snacks from Denmark. On a scale from 1 to 5, I'm gonna give Denmark 2. I was gonna say 2.5, but I'm gonna say 2 because that orange just took me out. I didn't like it. Denmark gets a 2, which is about the same that Germany got. Philippines gets a 0. Okay. So far, Holland they've provided great snacks. Hawaii has provided great snacks, and I'm trying to think of who else I tried. I think I tried snacks from Spain, and I think I was happy with that as well. Okay, so we about even right now. I've only had one that I did not enjoy the entire box, and so, you know, okay. So until my next snack crate unboxing, which should be in a few weeks, guys, I am Miana DK, and until next time, you never know what's going to be in this morning's cup. I love y'all. I swear I do.
This is the ending of my video. Oh, thank y'all for watching.